Dog coughing can be stressful for pet owners, especially when it happens frequently or suddenly worsens. Many people struggle to find safe and natural ways to relieve their dog's cough without causing unwanted side effects. Thankfully, here are some simple and easy ways to stop dog coughing naturally. First, make sure your dog is comfortable and resting. Just like humans, dogs need proper rest to recover from minor illnesses. Limit excessive running, jumping, or outdoor activity for a few days. Keep your dog in a warm, well-ventilated room away from cold drafts, smoke, or strong fragrances that can irritate the throat. One of the most effective natural remedies is honey. Honey helps soothe the throat and reduce irritation that causes coughing. You can give half a teaspoon for small dogs and 1 teaspoon for medium to large dogs, 2 to 3 times a day. Mix it with a little warm water to make it easier to swallow. Make sure your dog is older than 1 year before giving honey. Keeping your dog well hydrated is very important. Fresh, clean water helps thin mucus and keeps the throat moist. You can also offer warm, low-sodium chicken broth to encourage drinking. Proper hydration supports the immune system and speeds up recovery. Another natural option is using a humidifier in your home. Dry air can worsen coughing, especially during winter months. A humidifier adds moisture to the air and helps calm irritated airways. Make sure to clean the humidifier regularly to prevent mold buildup. You should also check your dog's collar. If your dog pulls on the leash, the collar may irritate the throat and make coughing worse. Switching to a harness can reduce pressure on the neck and help prevent further irritation. This simple change can make breathing more comfortable and prevent the cough from getting worse during walks. Dog liquid cough treatments prescribed by a veterinarian can help soothe irritation and reduce persistent coughing. These syrups are specially formulated for dogs and may contain safe cough suppressants or anti-inflammatory ingredients. Never give human cough medicine to your dog, as it can be dangerous. Always follow your vet's dosage instructions to ensure safe and effective treatment. If your dog's coughing lasts more than a few days, it's important to consult a veterinarian. Persistent coughing can be a sign of infections, heart problems, or respiratory conditions that need medical treatment. Early veterinary care ensures your dog gets the proper diagnosis and treatment before the condition becomes serious. By using gentle natural remedies and monitoring your dog carefully, you can help ease mild coughing and support a safe, healthy recovery.